Meaning of fly half.
Fly half.
Fly half.
Fly half.
Fly half. Fly half is a term used in the sport of rugby to describe a particular position on the field. The fly half is typically one of the more influential players on the team and is responsible for directing the strategy of the game, as well as executing kicks and passes with precision. They are often considered to be the team's playmaker, and their ability to read the game and make split-second decisions can have a significant impact on the final result of the match. A skilled fly half can help their team to victory, while a poor performance can lead to defeat.